Hello, my name is Dalal Gale and I am the lead teacher of biology in the Trinity Science Department. So we've just had a wonderful opportunity to assess the learning in the sciences through the mock exams. And it has been really interesting. We've got a huge range of results, and those students who've put in a lot of effort in their learning have been rewarded. Biology, out of all the exams, is usually one of the first ones to happen. So it's really important that our young people are ready and prepared, that they're firing on all cylinders by the time it gets to their biology paper, usually the first paper out of all their GCSEs. Now, what are the things that they could do to do even better? And I think top of my list would be vocabulary. Out of all the sciences, it's fair to say that biology is vocabulary heavy. Let me give you an example. In a question about vaccines, an average student will say vaccines are used to kill germs. Now, absolutely right idea, but not to a GCSE standard. So at a GCSE standard, we want to know that a vaccine contains a dead or weakened form of the pathogen, that our lymphocytes recognize the antigen of the pathogen and then release the corresponding antibodies to destroy that particular pathogen. So you can see there's a lot of terminology involved, and it's quite easy to get antibodies and antigen and pathogen, lymphocytes, all of that confused. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sending out vocab lists for each biology topic, and I'm going to encourage our young people to just note which words are they not able to use confidently, because they need to be able to talk scientifically in order to achieve the best results for their biology. And then of course there's exam technique, making sure that they answer the question properly. Sometimes a question that says describe in one paper has the exact same second part of the question, but it says explain, and our students are learning that those actually are very different answers that are required. The research is showing that the best thing you can do for revision is to test yourself. So I want you to encourage your child to make sure that they have got well in advance revision cards that they can use to test that their scientific knowledge is at the tip of their fingertips. That is the best use of their time. And then the second thing I would encourage would be doing lots of past paper questions. In fact, we are almost finished teaching the syllabus. Certainly with the combined, we are almost at the end of the syllabus, giving us plenty of time for revision. And with the extra content in the triple, there's still a couple of weeks to go, but we're confident that there's going to be lots of time to do past paper practice. And it's really important that at this point, that mistakes are good mistakes, that they things that our young people can learn from in order to make sure that they don't make the same mistakes in their final exams. I'm sure you've been told about revision cards that would help support their learning, or revision guides, I apologize, and these have been recommended by the other science teachers as well. If there's anything we can do to help to support, please first of all encourage your child to come and speak to their science teacher. We are only too willing to help. And also if they're not too sure what to revise, these have been sent out to them on Show My Homework. This shows the pathway through paper 1 and paper 2. And unlike the chemistry, the biology triple award topics, you can see with the yellow clouds dotted throughout, they are dotted throughout, whereas in chemistry and physics, a lot of the triple award is at the very end. So I'm going to encourage the classes that are doing triple award to make sure that they go back and just make sure that they have mastered that triple award content. We're here to help, we're here to encourage, and I'm sure that that's exactly what you're doing at home. I know that, well, the GCSEs is very hard for our young people. I know as parents, they're a bit of a headache for you as well. So good luck over the next couple of months. Thank you for all the support. And from both sides, we're just going to encourage them to make sure that they're putting in the time, acquiring the vocabulary, and doing their very best. Thank you for your time.